Okay, so you think I can maybe make it up now?
Maybe.
Okay.
Close.
This is so steep. The first time I did this trip that I overheated, I had to shut the truck down and sit on the side of the road. The other thing is the MAC chloride up here in the road when it gets wet gets super slick. You guys are going to see a pretty treacherous little driveway and road we got to go down. I was freaking out my first trip there, and then it rained today. Almost called it off. My guy's pulling a pretty steep grade here. You can see I'm getting a little hot, and that'll climb as we climb the hill. Coming up here, it looks like we are just pulling off the side of the cliff. It's so steep and it's wet, and we are 15 tons about on the dot, so pretty sketch. We are at about 11,000 feet. So this old Mack E7 engine is very reliable, but it doesn't like this at all. Temperature climbing. We got enough air. Oil temperature is climbing. Okay. Let's get ready to do this. Little downshift. Watch out, little car. Getting the low box here. Okay. Jake brake on. Got to be careful. My wheels don't spin backwards. So a little brake pressure. Okay, slipping. Hang on. Okay. Made it down that. Now up here, it gets really skinny, and there's the cliff or embankment on one side, and then a soft spot on the right where the culvert has not only washed away but has collapsed. So a little sketchy to say the least. So I slid off earlier this year, not here but in another place. Rainy day, full load. That mag chloride was slippery and it got a little muddy, and I just went off. I did not flip over. So I'm here to talk about it. You can see right up here where that orange hole is. I'm gonna try to keep us on the road there. Culvert broken on the right, and then it drops off there on the left. The road kicks me back to the right here, and then back, so I'm gonna stay away from the culvert, and then go to the right side of the road so I don't go off the edge here. Just don't want to lose traction in situations like this. Get over here. And this is the driveway I'm delivering to here to the right. Todd is doing a fabulous job. Look how muddy it is. All right. I'm gonna get out here and show you guys what we got. I'm turning, but I'm not turning. Okay. You can see the driveway here. It's actually so steep. They've got cobble and then like a geotextile grid under it, and then road base on top. And even with that, all the road base has washed away. So we're back here. We didn't do this, but we're back here putting some more. You can see Todd. It's cold today, by the way. 50 degrees, 55. Todd is being a man here.
Forgot my jacket.
Forgot his jacket. I can leave this with you if you'd like. Okay, so you think I can maybe make it up now?
Maybe.
Okay. The last two loads I've just inched my way as he's gotten this good material down in here. I don't know if you want to go up and watch us try this.
Close.
Wait! Did Todd tell you I'm afraid of heights, so I don't like any of this? Well, Todd, looks like that's where you're getting the material.
Okay.
Fall out of the truck. Oh. Okay, I didn't like that. I don't. Do you think that anything here does this justice, other than spinning out with 15 tons in the back? Jeez Louise. Got the skip loader on this job. Do we need one more load here?
I think so. I still need a little bit more. I'm going to take some of this up top.
Yeah.
I would like to get a little more of the crown on it.
A little more crown, okay. All right. There's the residence. Man, it's nasty today. The next several days is supposed to be still kind of on the chillier side, but not raining and no clouds. So it'll be like 70, feels like 80. Sorry for you guys in the Midwest. That's what we get to work in. All right. Good luck, Todd.
Thanks.
This is a little short, quick one. Just wanted to show you the treacherous conditions here. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Up in the valley, there's a big lake up there. You can see the clouds sitting down in there. This is beautiful. We have a job coming in a couple weeks directly across the valley up there. Oh boy. Oh boy. You guys will enjoy that one. All right, so like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Later.